What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all safe and sound. It's another Friday afternoon. It's not even 1 p.m. till now, and it's already 41 degrees Celsius. That's pretty damn hot. Alright guys, so I'm finally going to be testing out my new GoPro equipment, and I'm really excited to use it. I've heard a lot of good reviews, so let's see how it goes. Alright guys, I've got my GoPro on. Feels a bit weird in the start, but then you gotta get used to it, you know? If you wanna enjoy it, you really have to get used to it. I've always seen these racers and drifters, you know, using these kind of equipment, but I never really got the chance to use it. So now that I do get a chance, I'm gonna enjoy it to the max. So this is the best part about my exhaust, the throttle. You hear it? Or do you hear it now? Or listen to it now, yeah? Yep, that's what I'm talking about. There's literally like freaking 3 G63s right around me. I don't know if it's one group or, but that's a weird coincidence if it's not a group.